This is Pastor Shayo, author of the 52 Prayers for My Marriage. And I want to let you in on a secret. Prayer can deepen your connection and bring you closer together as a couple. In today's society, marriages are falling apart, left and right. But I believe that with prayer, we can change that statistic. Prayer is a powerful tool that we often don't utilize it to the fullest potential. And in my book, 52 Prayers for My Marriage, I will show you how to use prayer to focus on God's will for your marriage and to submit it to God. You will learn how to communicate better, feel more connected, and grow closer together as a couple, all while getting closer to God. So if you're looking for a way to strengthen your marriage by submitting it to God and improving communication, connection, and closeness to God, then this book is for you. So click on the link below to purchase 52 Prayers for My Marriage on Amazon.